Hello everyone, welcome to NeetBuddy. Today we are going to provide you with 15 MCQs from the topic that you're seeing on your screen. So the practice of these MCQs will give you confidence and you would be able to score better in the coming NEET exams. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. During gene cloning, which is called as gene taxi? Option A, vaccine. Option B, plasmid. Option C, bacterium. Or option D, protozoa. During the process of gene cloning, which of these four is called as a gene taxi? The correct answer is option B, that is plasmid, which is a vector, is called as gene taxi. Question 2. Bacillus thuringiensis strains have been used for designing novel. Option A, biofertilizers. Option B, biometallurgical techniques. Option C, biomineralization processes. Or option D, bioinsecticidal plants. Bacillus thuringiensis strains have been used for designing which of the following? The correct answer is option D, bioinsecticidal plants. Question 3. The term sustainable development was adopted in the Earth Summit at Rio in year. Option A, 1892. Option B, 2000. Option C, 1980. Or option D, 1992. The term sustainable development was adopted in Earth Summit held in Rio de Janeiro in which year? The correct answer is option D, that is 1992. Question 4. First biochemical to be produced commercially by microbial cloning and genetic engineering is? Option A, human insulin. Option B, penicillin. Option C, interferons. Or option D, fertility factor. First biochemical to be produced commercially by microbial cloning and genetic engineering is? The correct answer is option A, that is human insulin. Question 5. Introduction of food plants developed by genetic engineering is not desirable because? Option A, these products are less tasty as compared to already existing product. Option B, this method is costly. Option C, economy of developing countries may suffer. Option D, there is danger of entry of viruses and toxins with introduced crop. Introduction of food plants which have been developed through genetic engineering is not desirable because? You have to identify which of these four is actually a disadvantage of genetically developed crops. The correct answer is option B. This method of genetically developing crop is quite costly. Hence, it is not desirable to introduce these food crops into the daily use. Question 6. Insect resistance transgenic cotton has been produced by inserting a piece of DNA from? Option A, an insect. Option B, a bacterium. Option C, a wild relative of cotton. Or option D, a virus. Insect resistance transgenic cotton has been produced by inserting a piece of DNA from which of the following four organisms? The correct answer is option B, that is a bacterium. In this question, the insect resistance transgenic cotton is referring to, right, Bt cotton. And what does Bt of Bt cotton mean? Bacillus thuringiensis, which is a bacteria. So this insect resistance piece of DNA came from a bacteria, that is Bacillus thuringiensis. Question 7. Hybridoma technology has been successfully used in? Option A, production of somatic hybrids. Option B, synthesis of mechanical antibodies. Option C, synthesis of hemoglobin. Or option D, production of alcohol in bulk. Hybridoma technology has been successfully used in? The correct answer is option B, that is synthesis of antibodies. Right? Hybridoma technology is used for synthesis of monoclonal antibodies. Question 8. Modern agricultural practices has resulted in option A. Improving soil fertility, option B. Decrease in soil and water pollution, option E. Environmental degradation, or option D. Reduction in pests and diseases. Modern agricultural practices has resulted in. The correct answer is option C, that is environmental degradation. And what is the modern agricultural practice referring to in this? Right, the practices that came into existence after the Green Revolution is referred to as modern agricultural practices. So all this has resulted in a lot of environmental degradation. Question 9. Name the drug used in cancer treatment produced using biotechnology. Option A. Terramycin. Option B. HGH, that is human growth hormone. Option C, that is TSH, or option D, that is interferon. Name the drug used in cancer treatment produced using biotechnology. The correct answer is option D, that is interferons are used to treat cancer, and these are produced using the biotechnological processes. Question 10. Cultivation of BT cotton is much in news nowadays. What does the prefix BT means? I guess I've already answered this question. Anyways, option A, barium treated cotton seed. Option B, bigger thread variety of cotton with better tensile strength. Or option C, produced by biotechnology using restriction enzymes and ligases. Or option D, carrying an endotoxin gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. What does the BT in BT cotton stands for? The correct answer is option D, Bacillus thuringiensis. It refers to that the BT cotton has a gene which has been derived from Bacillus thuringiensis, and this gene codes for an endotoxin. Question 11. The first antibiotic was discovered by option A, Louis Pasteur. Option B, R. Koch or Robert Koch. Option C, W. Fleming. Or option D, A. Fleming. The first antibiotic was discovered by. The correct answer is option D, that is Alexander Fleming discovered the first antibiotic. And what was it? Right, penicillin. Penicillin from the fungus Penicillium was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Question number 12. Vector used in production of pest-resistant plants by the process of RNA interference is option A, bacteriophage vector. Option B, agrobacterium vector. Option C, yeast cell vector. Or option D, mycoplasmal vector. Vector used in production of pest-resistant plants by the process of RNA interference is. The correct answer is option B, that is agrobacterium vector. Question 13. Gene therapy has been implemented in treatment of option A, ADA deficiency. Option B, insulin production. Option C, cancer therapy. Or option D, AIDS treatment. Gene therapy has been implemented in treatment of. The correct answer is option A, that is ADA deficiency has been treated with gene therapy. Question 14. Ozone layer provides protection and acts as a shield against damaging. Option A, ultraviolet radiation. Option B, electric discharge. Option C, volcanic eruptions. Or option D, visible lights. The correct answer is option A, that is ultraviolet radiations. Question 15. Golden rice is a transgenic crop of future with which of the following improved trait? Option A, increased resistant. Option B, high lysine content. Option C, high protein content. Or option D, high vitamin A content. Golden rice is a transgenic crop for the future with following improved trait. The correct answer is option D, that is it has high vitamin A content. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of MCQs at this very place, this very time, from the next chapter of class 12th NCERT biology. We are doing the daily biology MCQ test series over here, where we are providing you MCQs every day from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12 NCERT biology, so that you get a lot of practice before the coming NEET exam. So we'll see you tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.